So, you want to build a spaceship? Good for you. You're joining the ranks of some of the most ambitious minds in history. But before you start welding together metal and dreaming of distant galaxies, let's tackle the fundamental question: how do you even start a spaceship? I mean, it's not like building a sandcastle. You can't just grab a bucket and start scooping. There's no IKEA manual for this. No, building a spaceship is a monumental undertaking that requires a blend of engineering, physics, and a dash of sheer audacity. Let's break it down. The dream, the plan, the funding. First off, you need a dream. A big, audacious dream. Not just I want to go to space, but I want to revolutionize space travel. This dream is your North Star. It's what will keep you going when things get tough. Next, you need a plan. A detailed, meticulously crafted blueprint of your spaceship. Everything from the size and shape to the propulsion system and life support. This is where the engineers come in. They're the ones who turn your dream into reality. But dreams and plans don't build spaceships. You need money. Lots of it. This is where investors, governments, or a combination of both come in. Convincing people to part with their hard-earned cash for a project as risky as building a spaceship is no easy feat. You'll need a compelling pitch, a solid business plan, and maybe even a bit of charisma. The building blocks. Once you've got your funding, it's time to start building. And trust me, it's not like building a Lego set. You're dealing with materials that can withstand the extreme conditions of space. We're talking about lightweight yet incredibly strong alloys, heat-resistant ceramics, and exotic materials that can only be produced in specialized labs. Then there's the propulsion system. This is the heart of your spaceship. You've got a few options: chemical rockets, which are powerful but inefficient, electric propulsion, which is more efficient but less powerful, and nuclear propulsion, which is incredibly powerful but also incredibly dangerous. The choice depends on your mission. And let's not forget about life support. Humans are delicate creatures. We need air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat. So, you'll need to design systems to recycle air, purify water, and grow food. It's basically creating a self-sustaining ecosystem in a metal can. The human factor, building a spaceship is one thing, but getting people to fly it is another. You'll need highly trained astronauts who can withstand the physical and mental rigors of spaceflight. And let's not forget about the psychological impact of being confined in a small space with the same people for months or even years. You'll need a team psychologist, too. Overcoming challenges. Building a spaceship is fraught with challenges. There will be setbacks, failures, and even disasters. It's important to be prepared for the unexpected. You'll need a team of experts who can troubleshoot problems and find solutions. And you'll need the resilience to keep going, even when things seem hopeless. The future of space travel. So, how do you start a spaceship? With a dream, a plan, funding, engineering brilliance, and a whole lot of courage. It's a journey filled with challenges, but the rewards are immense. We're on the cusp of a new era of space exploration. With each new spaceship that takes to the skies, we're one step closer to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.